Here in Hall 15 you can find the company Haitan International, and the stand is very busy, I would say. Mr. Franz, how's the trade fair going so far for you?
Oh, very good.
Yeah?
I think it's very exciting, especially in the first 2 days. So many people visiting, and not only here. If you go around the fair, it's people have the choice. They can walk everywhere. They see a lot of new things, and I think also the mood is very positive, and so we enjoy being here.
What is the mood here at your stand? What innovations are you presenting?
Okay, we present here as a material machines. We present the newest development of our two brands, which we have Haitan and Zafir, fully electric machines and two-plate and hydraulic machines. And we pursue a strategy which we call technology to the point. So our innovation is not just spectacular. Our innovation is more to the point, what we feel the customer really needs. And our approach, strategic approach in development is more of the flexibility, to give the customer flexibility to change from time to time, because we feel in the world now today changes are occurring very fast, and they need to be ready and flexible enough to do so. So our innovation is concentrated on machine which facilitate such developments.
In your opinion, where do you see the biggest changes in the industry? In which sector? In the medical industry, for example?
I strongly believe that we are only on the beginning of this process. Seeing the developments which we have in the recent 10 years, what kind of development was and what is open yet? Not to talk about substitution of glass, to talk about substitution of high temperature resistant parts like metals in engine parts of automotive. And I think we at Haitan, we are thinking not so much about the particular industries like automotive or medicine. We think about the plastic part. So if you have a new plastic part like substitution of glass, this can be in medicine, that can be in automotive, it can be. So we need to develop, in my opinion, processes which enable the machines to process some materials, and then the use and the applications will all across the industry. So glass is in automotive, glass is in computers, glass is in medical. So we don't need to develop a medical or automotive. We need to develop substitution of glass as an example. And this is the development going forward. And I acknowledge a lot of new materials coming up, a lot of exciting materials coming up. And I think our injection molding technology should adapt to be able to process those new materials. And then applications will be across all industries.
So would you say, is the industry getting more complicated or more easy?
I wouldn't use such terminus. Complicated or easy. As an engineer, I don't care so much because it is necessary. So if taking a simple product like an automotive lamp, it consists of maybe over 20 parts, out of which only 3 you really see. But without the other 20 or 17, it wouldn't work. So, this may be easy parts, but they are important to further assembly. So we need to be very careful not to think only about the very visible, very complicated part. We need to see the plastics application all across the industry. And there is thousands of plastic parts in a car which you don't see. You will never see, hopefully. When the car damaged, then you will probably see. But otherwise you will not see. But without those parts, it will not work. And those parts also need to be manufactured efficiently. So if I have a very complicated machine system, I can make all these complicated parts. I also can make the easy parts. But then they will be very costly. So to work cost efficiently, I need to have different technology for the easy parts and so. So it is easy, there is easy parts, there is complicated parts, but doesn't mean the easy parts are bad or need to be treated a little bit like the unwanted sun. So it is very important, in my opinion, to focus on all these different levels of plastic parts, provide the technology to the point, to produce them efficiently, and at the end to get an assembly, a car, a computer, whatever, a telephone, at a good price, so you and I will buy it.
Mr. Franz, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you. Thank you so much for your time, and enjoy your stay here in Düsseldorf. Thank you.
We certainly will.